I would like to share my experience at GLOJAS Hair Center. I first found out about this center from a recommendation from my friend, and I saw his treatment. I was impressed with his results, and then obviously I did my research as well before coming over here, and via all the other testimonies I was quite excited, and I immediately chose this center. Already 1 month in my treatment by Dr. Jas as well as Dr. Moya and also the team, and I'm so far quite impressed. I was very satisfied with the whole experience as well as the treatment over here by the whole team. I'm very satisfied with the choice I have made in GLOJAS. GLOJAS is also internationally renowned as well as pioneers in hair restoration in Malaysia. I would recommend everyone to come over here to GLOJAS Health Clinic. Thumbs up to GLOJAS!